Please take out your Workbook 2 1.5 and turn to the next rhyme. Rhyme time. A surprise for Molly. Can you come to my house in the ground? My little house is cozy and round. There will be so many friends around, so come right over, don't make a sound. It is Molly's party, she's a mouse. We'll have balloons and crouch in my house. When she comes inside, we'll start to rise. We'll jump right out and shout, "Surprise!" Now turn the page to page 6. Vocabulary. Number 1. Love, loved. Would, should. Door. Find, found. Fall, fell. Wait, waited for. Take care of. Die, died. Feed, fed. Pet. It's. Must, mustn't. Borrow, borrowed. Cage. Let. Keep, kept. Visit, visited. Far. Wind. Cry, cried. Forest. Feathers. Voice. Theme words. Mole. Wild. Mexico. Burn, burned. Smoke. Phonics focus. Mouth. House. Out. Hour. Cloud. Shout. Round. Count. Loud. Snow. Show. Blow. Crow. Slow. Below. Borrow. Throw. Row. 2-syllable words. Baby. Open. Never. Later. Finish. Lemon. Tiger.